got a red little pony, she makes me wanna smile and she makes me wanna stay inside just to curl up to